If you're a landlord granting a lease, it's important to make sure your agreement properly protects your investment. A well-drafted lease does more than just set out the rent. It defines the relationship between you and your tenant, and it can make all the difference if something goes wrong. Hi, I'm Alima, part of the commercial team here at Attwells Solicitors. In this video, I'll explain what to consider when granting a lease, how it protects your position, and how our team can assist you. When you grant a lease, you're giving someone else the right to occupy your property for a fixed period, usually in return for a rent. Before you do that, it's essential to agree the heads of terms with your letting agent or tenant. This should cover the length of the term, the rent amount, the break options, repairing obligations, and who's responsible for insurance and service charges. Once the heads of terms are agreed, we will draft the lease to reflect the points and to ensure compliance with your lender's or managing agent's requirement. As a landlord, you want a lease that's clear, enforceable, and commercially fair. We will make sure the lease review clauses are robust and reflect market practice. Your repairing and insurance obligations are limited as far as possible. There are clear provisions for dealing with unpaid rent or breaches, and that you can regain possession promptly if the tenant defaults. We will also advise on whether the lease should be inside or outside the Landlord and Tenant Act 1954, which affects the tenant's right to renew at the end of the term. Once the draft lease has been sent to the tenant's solicitor, there will often be a short period of negotiations. Our role is to make sure the final version still protects your position without unnecessary delay. We will keep communications clear and efficient so you can get your property let quickly and with confidence. Once both parties are satisfied, the lease is signed and completed, which is usually electronically these days, and we will handle registration at the land registry if required. After completion, we will provide you with a full set of final documents and advice on ongoing landlord responsibilities, such as compliance certificate or deposit protection if applicable. We will also help you manage renewals, rent reviews, or variations later on, ensuring your investment continues to perform well legally and commercially. Granting a lease is about more than filling a property. It's about protecting your asset for the long term. If you're preparing to grant a lease, get in touch with our commercial property team at Attwells Solicitors. We will make sure your lease is watertight, compliant, and aligned with your commercial goals. Visit attwells.com to learn more or contact us today for expert advice. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical videos like this, where we make legal matters simple and straightforward.